Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to fix Instagram not loading problem. Okay, now here as you can see, when I go to the Reels, it may not be loading in some circumstances. And in order to fix this issue, so here as you can see, I have opened the Reels. Sometimes it is not loading with you. Now, in order to fix this issue, if you are using Windows 11, I'll show exactly how to do it. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your Windows menu. Then you want to search for adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Then you want to click on this option. And after that, here you can see the performance options. Just go to visual effects and make sure that you have this option right here toggled on, animate controls and elements inside Windows. Once you have this option applied, just go down below and click on apply, then click on OK. And now you can go back again and open your Instagram Reels and it will load just like so. And that's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.